Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim, and this is Wall Angel. This is a great exercise for shoulder mobility, thoracic mobility, and even core strengthening. I'm going to set my feet kind of a foot and a half off the edge of the wall. Tailbone, low back, upper back, and head are all in contact with the wall, and there is a little gap behind my neck though. I'm going to take my elbows and shoulders into 90-degree bends, and I'm going to place my elbows, wrists, and fingers against the wall. So once we've achieved this position, we can start working shoulder motion, so rising up and down, all while maintaining the points of contact on the wall. The easiest thing to do is let your low back come off and let your ribcage flare. So really focus on keeping the ribcage down as we do this. Another variation you can do instead of moving the arms is actually use the low back. So in the position, we can now let low back come off and then squish it back down. So let it come off and then squish it back down.